Hazrat Imam Ali quotes and sayings. Don't develop friendship with the enemy of your friend, otherwise your friend will turn into an enemy. Allah is tested with fire, and the believer is tested with trials. It is easier to turn a mountain into dust than to create love in a heart that is filled with hatred. When the people of truth remain quiet against falsehood, the people of falsehood start believing it is the truth. There is no good in silence when it comes to knowledge, just as there is no good in speaking when it comes to ignorance. He who is deserted by friends and relatives will often find help and sympathy from strangers. The tongue is like a lion. If you let it loose, it will wound someone. If you are the recipient of kindness, remember it. If you are the giver of kindness, forget it. Knowledge is better than wealth. Knowledge protects you, but with wealth you have to protect it. Humbleness clothes you in dignity. Greed is permanent slavery. Jealousy by a friend means defect in his love. Your souls are precious, and can only be equal to the price of paradise. Therefore, sell them only at that price. Do not criticize too much. Too much criticism leads to hate and bad behavior. Don't show pleasure in somebody's downfall, for you have no knowledge of what the future holds in store for you. Fear the sins that you commit in secret, because the witness of those sins is the judge himself. Sometimes your prayers are turned down, because you often, unknowingly, ask for things that are really harmful to you. Beautiful people are not always good, but good people are always beautiful. If you don't know a thing, never hesitate or feel ashamed to learn it. See the bad inside yourself, and see the good inside others.